You wash your face every day. You moisturize. You drink water. You do everything right, so why is your skin still red, burning, and irritated? I'll tell you why. And I promise, by the end of this video, your skin will never be the same again. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly what is secretly destroying your sensitive skin every single day and the simple routine that fixes it fast. No expensive products. No complicated steps. Just real results. Let's go. Okay, first, let me ask you something. Does your skin get red after trying a new product? Does it feel tight after washing? Does it burn even when you apply something that says gentle on the label? If you said yes to any of that, you have sensitive skin. And here's the thing nobody tells you: sensitive skin is not a skin type. It's a skin condition. And it means one thing: your skin barrier is damaged. Think of your skin barrier like a brick wall protecting your face. When that wall is strong, your skin stays calm, hydrated and glowing. But when it's damaged, everything gets in. Pollution, bacteria, harsh ingredients, even water can irritate it. And here's the scary part: most of us are damaging our skin barrier every single day without even knowing it. Let me show you exactly how. These are the things that are silently wrecking your sensitive skin. I want you to go check your products right now, because I guarantee at least one of these is sitting in your bathroom. Number 1, fragrance. This single ingredient is the number 1 cause of skin irritation in the entire world. It smells amazing, I get it. But for sensitive skin, it is pure poison. Check every product you own right now. If it says fragrance or Parfum anywhere on that label, it is hurting your skin. Put it down. Number 2, alcohol. Specifically denatured alcohol, listed as alcohol denate on the bottle. This strips your skin of every natural oil it has. It destroys your barrier completely. And the worst part? It's hiding in toners, serums, and even some moisturizers. Check your labels. Number 3, lemon. And this one is really important: stop putting lemon on your face. I know it's a popular home remedy, but lemon is extremely acidic, and for sensitive skin, it causes burns, permanent dark spots, and long-term damage. No matter what you read on Pinterest, lemon does not belong on sensitive skin. Number 4, overwashing and hot water. Every time you overwash, you strip away your skin's natural protective oils. And hot water. It literally inflames sensitive skin. Lukewarm water only. Twice a day maximum. That's it. Number 5, using too many products. This one surprises people. I know more feels like better. But for sensitive skin, every extra product is a new chance for a reaction. Keep it simple. Keep it minimal. Your skin will thank you. Stopping these 5 mistakes is your first step toward healing. But just stopping the damage isn't enough, you need to know how to fix it. In the next video, I'm going to show you the exact 3-step routine and the magic ingredients that will repair your barrier and transform your skin in just 30 days. Make sure to subscribe to SM Beauty Glow and turn on notifications so you don't miss part 2. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of your skin. Bye.